the red rice is cooking. Red rice. Then we have bell pepper, no, onions, garlic, ginger, tumeric. We have leftovers from yesterday. That is with eggs and potatoes and bell pepper. That is very, very tasty. Then we have bell pepper, very nice, we'll cut it later. And we have tofu, a big portion of tofu that we got, the leftover. And we have more eggs. So the sauce is ready with all the vegetables, bell pepper and carbonara style sauce. The leftover is ready with some eggs. Got now already on the table and we will eat it soon. It looks so beautiful. The red rice is also ready already and we just wait for put it on the plate. Together with the meal, we take all the ingredients like vitamin C, D, E, Q10, P. And for the dessert, we have blueberries and avocados. Blueberries and avocados. Oh, now also the tofu is on the plate and it is looking good. Now we get the sauce on top. Now we get the sauce on top and that is a wonderful meal today. It's a sauce with everything inside. And for the dessert we have blueberries and avocados. Blueberries and avocados. Last cup of coffee after a nice meal. That is wonderful.